Hello friends, we are going to review the mousse mat from RECODE, but there has some issue we are facing. This product has been just arrived to our home today with some issue. The 5 items have becomes dryness in the inner side, so we are decided to cancel this item and we are requesting to return this item as soon as possible. What do you think about this product? Don't forget to comment and let us know about the product. This is 2 number mat. As you can see, this is 3 number. As you can see, there is total 5. Which color do you like most? Don't forget to comment and let me know. All are so beautiful, but there has some issue with dryness. Goodbye friends, thank you so much for watching.